worry about it, honey. Subtlety is not really our thing.
Come on, this way. Are you there? What are we walking into?
The intelligence I'm looking at suggests...
Hold on. Hide. Truck on its way.
Wait a minute. Your handler is... Was that Matt Miller?
Kinsey, be nice. But seriously, Matt Miller is a brilliant hacker, a venerated agent of MI6, and a key member of our operation.
And the fact that he tried to kill us.
What's past is past. We are all working together now. Let's focus on the job.
As I was saying...
Hold that thought, Matt. Guards ahead. Hold position. Let's take him out quietly. Matt, you were saying?
The nuke is stashed deep in the compound. It's likely primed and ready to go.
Getting booted from the U.S. sent Cyrus Temple off the deep end, but teaming up with terrorists? Seriously?
We're in. Get my back.
You should be nearing the missile.
Cyrus has soldiers everywhere, so be alert.
Attention, please. Saints landing can make it.
Take it personal.
Why would
I should have killed you in Steelport.
Or maybe take it personal.
You ruined Steelport, ruined America.
Monologuing.
Our leaders failed America by letting you live. Time to destroy Washington and start over. Nothing can stop me now, especially you.
Cyrus has seriously...
Kinsey, what's going on?
Shit! Our side's bombing the compound!
Oh, wait a minute, we're still in here!
I'm not dropping the bomb!
Just get them to stop.
I'll do what I can, but work quickly.
What the fuck? Where to now, then?
Don't sweat, I got this. Come here, bitch. This way, people.
Every mission has its bumps.
Bump? You call that a bump?
You're live, aren't you? Pierce, come with me. You two go through that door. On. Let's see how you can handle yourself, Mr. Celebrity. We'll be on mic.
Handle myself? Shit, I can handle myself.
Should be really close to the missile silo now. Stay alert. Cyrus is such a berg when it comes to security.
No sign of the target, but we're looking at a stockpile of explosives and chemicals here. I can't tell what kind.
It's explosives and chemicals, lady. What else do you need to know?
then follow into battle.
Yourself to save the world. I suppose I wouldn't have tried to kill you.
Well, we just met, but you seem to know. Nice. The warhead's disabled, but it's still moving, boss.
On the campaign trail, I said I was going to accomplish
For too long,
my fellow Americans.
Something dangerous is happening in America.
What passes for education?
I'd like to start by...
My fellow Americans, I know a lot of people.
My fellow Americans.
A lot of people in the press are asking when I'm gonna disclose my...
Oh, this'll feel good. How pathetic.
This is a problem.
It's not a problem.
You alienated part of America.
I alienated crazy people.
You couldn't resist, could you?
Jesus, not you two.
This is a problem.
I keep trying to explain that, but the president won't listen.
Poverty is a problem. Apartheid is a problem. This is just a couple of...
Here's the latest approval poll.
We lost 20 points. We can get them back.
They're at 20 points.
I'll admit that's a little lower than anticipated.
So you agree you have a problem?
Nope, you do. You're the communications director. Fix this.
Can you give me 100% employment?
No.
Will you get married?
Fuck no.
Then I think we're in trouble.
King, can you have this naysayer assassinated?
Not when you say it publicly.
What more fun as a gang leader?
We have a country to run. Fun isn't part of the equation.
Where's a septic truck when you need one? Come on, Keith, have some good news. Who schedules a press conference for this early in the morning?
Listen, we've got enough clout right now for one major bill, not both. What do you want me to push forward? Do you want to be the president who cured cancer or the president who solved world hunger?
Speaking of hunger, tell the kitchen to send up a burger.
Good choice.
I hope Kinsey's keeping the sharks at bay.
Now, you listen here. If you think you can cram your agenda past Congress, you are in for a rude awakening. You hear me? Now, let me tell you a little something about the greatest word in politics. Filibuster.
I got a word for you. Ow, my face! I think I cut my knuckle on that senator's teeth.
Oleg and I are about to head over to Camp David to watch some Nightblade. Yep. You down? Boom!
That saved me some popcorn this time.
And your #1 fan!
Nice work, Oleg.
The president's words were taken out of context.
Kinsey, what's the right context for, and I quote, "I'm the patron saint of America. We should probably look into changing the Pledge of Allegiance to one nation under me"?
That's a great question. Jane?
I think we have a problem.
Oh, not you two. How many times do I have
Asha
to...
and Miller are waiting for you in the Oval Office.
If MI6 needed something, they would send it up the chain, not fly across an ocean.
They said nobody back home believes them.
Jesus, what's going on?
They think we're about to be attacked by aliens.
I gotta go.
This is serious. You know that Kinsey's been saying the same thing.
When did you start taking Kinsey seriously?
When the people who helped us save the world said we should.
All right, I'll swing by after I...
Hello, humans. fear, but a time for celebration. Today, the best and brightest among you will find salvation within the Zen Empire.
I'm smarter than all these people.
Delightful.
Kenzie, no! Protect the president!
I do love your spirit, my dear. I'm Zinyak. Pleasure to meet you. Would you like to join me for a ride? Splendid.
Get off me!
I need to get some guns.
Reports are coming in from Japan to the
This is just like a dream I had.
Told them we should have a gun every 5 steps.
Every 5 steps, I said.
There you are. Thank God you're all right.
You okay? Where's Matt?
Upstairs, trying to find out what's happening.
What is happening?
All out war by the looks of it. I'm meeting up with Matt. I'll be in touch via comm.
Be careful.
Come on, this way!
What the fuck? Keith! Oh, damn it! Just like Johnny taught me. Die, alien motherfucker! Shit, what the fuck is going on? Pierce, Ben, you gotta move! Shit, players, save yourself! Fuck that, save me!
Millions of people are disappearing around the globe. Death toll is incalculable. Responsible for
Shit.
I did this. Leave my country alone! Oh, you pissed off the wrong POTUS, assholes!
These enemies, identified by some
I trained for this.
as the Empire, have delivered
I regret nothing!
to conquer the Earth.
I did this.
Matt and I are at the South Portico. You have to see this.
Shit! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no!
Matt, hold on to me!
Awesome! Matt! God damn it! Better than everyone!
Holy shit. How many of you are there?
Bird to Ernie. Activate South Portico defenses. Let's do this, you beautiful thing. my crew. You took my cabinet. Oh, Kenzie's recording this.
country? This is for Lady Liberty. This one's for Uncle Sam. And this one's just because I want to.
Humans enjoy leaping so much.
Get off my lawn, you son of a bitch! Didn't count on me, did you?
Well, hello there. Welcome aboard.
Hang you over the fireplace, you alien fuck!
Now, not so fast.
Say goodnight. Wait, what? Oh! Shit!
Did you really think you could stop me?
Shit!
Oh, human arrogance. Is there anything more charming?
Fucking ass! Oh! Gonna
Do what exactly? Huh? Bravado me to death? I'm going to have fun breaking you.
Oh, goodness me, what a dream. Gosh, what a glorious day.
Leave it to the Saints. Brought to you by Friendly Fryer, the only choice in home cookware.
He deserves a friendly fry.
Morning, dear. I made your favorite breakfast. Oh, Mr. King from across the street is going out of town for a few weeks. He was wondering if you could check his mail for him. Oh, and your friend Pierce called. I'm sure he has some crazy new get-rich scheme. Oh, that Pierce. Such a card. And someone named Dex stopped by earlier. I didn't recognize him, so I just sent him away. I think I heard Timmy deliver the paper earlier. Could you fetch it, dear?
Sure thing, dear.
Hi, diddly-eye, neighbor.
Ooh, I wonder what's going on in the world today.
fine people of Steelport? Well, get in the car.
Don't I usually drive?
It's your world. Go ahead. Boy, they sure are anxious to meet you.
They?
Why, you do have a queer sense of humor.
Why does this all look so weird?
Now, what's that you say?
Something's wrong. This is all...
Can't wait to get out to the lake this weekend. I hear the fish are really biting.
The fish are... What are you talking about?
Don't you worry now. We're almost there.
I think there's something wrong with this car.
Dreaming of come what may. Dreaming, scheming, hoping that you will stay. In the soft of the night, you're holding me tight. When you look at me, then you'll say...
Well, here we are. Why don't you glad hand a bit? We got time.
Confound it, my toe!
Can I get a picture? Aww. Thank you kindly.
Looks like it's time. Your public is waiting.
Oh my stars, it's the president!
Hi, Howard. What the...
We don't use that kind of language here in Steelport.
What's going on? Where the f am I? Get out of here.
Hello? Hello?
Kenzie? Kenzie, where are you?
Finally! Listen to me. No time to explain, but you have to break free.
Break free? From what?
The place you're in isn't real. Whatever it's having you do, you need to stop.
I'm driving a car.
Okay, good. There's a park nearby. Head there and give me a sec.
If he borrows this thing...
Brace yourself.
Brace for... Whoa, my God!
I need some more time before I can get you out. It'd be really helpful if you could just, just be you.
Be me?
The simulation is all about normalcy. Pleasantry, order, all the things you hate. Go forth. Unleash hell.
President.
The simulation is resisting, but just keep going.
yourself some pork!
You need to do more. Bigger! Hold on, I'm sending you something. Find the cat fountain. I left you a present.
Jeepers, this is peachy.
Shouldn't have fucked with the president!
You're doing great. The simulation is... Oh no. Wait a minute.
Wait, a what? What's going on? That had some style.
Couldn't leave well enough alone, could you? You had to push and push and push. I hope you've enjoyed your last moments. I'm impressed.
Where the hell are... fuck me.
I should have realized a prison of peace would never hold a sociopath like yourself.
I'm more of a puckish rogue.
A rose by any other name.
Are you trying to kill me or sleep with me?
Charming.
See, there you go with those mixed messages again.
Then allow me to be perfectly clear. I am the architect of your reality. I build what I want. I destroy what I want. And your bravado means nothing. Fighting back is pointless, my friend. There's nowhere to run. You belong to me. Now, on to more pleasant things. I'm going to place you in your new home. Try to run again, and I'll destroy your pitiful planet. Did you hear that? My friends, each of you are guilty of crimes against the Xin Empire. But today is your lucky day. Today, you get to be a part of a new work release program. Swear your fealty, and I will empower you to be wardens of Simulation 31. You will have one purpose: torment the President of the United States. Beyond that, the world is yours to toy with. Ravage it, indulge in your basest desire. It makes no difference to me. Just leave the prisoner alive. I want them broken.